Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find notification settings on Fiverr. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, then go to your profile, which is at the bottom of the screen, then click on the settings, and then you can see the first option is notifications, and you have two kind of notification settings. The first one is push notifications and email notifications. So here you have several settings like order updates, and you can turn all these settings on and off: order messages, inbox messages, buyer briefs, buyer requests, my gigs, and my account. And at the email notifications you have three options: inbox messages, order messages, or order updates. So you can turn these notifications on and off regarding of your preferences. And I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.